First open Photoshop, then click on open, select picture and open. Now let's start how to apply realistic lipstick on the lip of this image. So for this we first select pen tool, then we select the part of the lips of the picture where we will apply lipstick. When our selection is complete, after that press keyboard shortcut Ctrl plus Enter. Then we need to go to polygonal lasso tool. Then click on the right side of the picture. Select feather. Feather radius should be set to 10 and OK. Then layer, adjustment, soiled color. Select red color and OK. Then blending mode, select multi-poly. After that add a layer style, blending options. Then underlying layer, increase and decrease the radius depends on your picture. And OK. Now you can see the difference between the previous image and the next image. Finally, our work is done. Hope the video was helpful. Be sure to subscribe to the channel to get such videos. Thank you.